I'm going to take some questions from Appreciating Prose. This time it's from Arundhati Roy's speech come September. These questions would definitely be a choice for your coming examinations, so please do study them. Question number 1. What was the occasion of Arundhati Roy's speech come September? Well, the occasion is the anniversary of the September 11th attack, commonly known as 9/11. This was a series of 4 coordinated terrorist attacks by a militant terrorist group against the United States. Arundhati Roy's speech come September is a powerful lecture delivered on 18th September 2002 at the Lannan Foundation in New Mexico, United States. It is a scathing attack on corporate globalization, US foreign policy, and the so-called war against terror. Question number 2. What is the relevance of Fat Boy and Little Boy? Well, Fat Boy and Little Boy are affectionate nicknames for the bombs that were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Arundhati Roy says that many Septembers have gone by since August 1945, when thousands of ordinary Japanese people were obliterated by nuclear strikes due to US military intervention. Why does Roy believe that the American way of life is not sustainable? Do you agree with her? Arundhati Roy believes that the act of putting together American culture, music, literature, the ordinary pleasures of ordinary people is a deliberately and extremely effective strategy. It's like a retreating army taking cover in a heavily populated city, hoping that the prospect of hitting civilian targets will deter enemy fire. This is not a sustainable option according to Arundhati Roy. Question number 4. How does Roy expose the dangers of militant nationalism? Answer. Many of the citizens of India and USA have never known life outside democracy. It would be hard to imagine what living in a dictatorship and enduring the absolute loss of freedom means. The US government adopts a policy of militant nationalism by sponsoring a politician in a particular country, giving him support through aid worth millions of dollars. However, when this politician turns tyrant, the US government turns against him and seeks vengeance. This is a dangerous game that America is playing, according to Arundhati Roy. Question number 5. According to Arundhati Roy, what is the impact of the free market on developing countries? Answer. The free market brazenly protects Western markets and forces developing countries to lift their trade barriers. Massive projects in the name of development and labor reforms are pushing people off their land and out of their jobs, resulting in a kind of barbaric disposition that has few parallels in history. Question number 6. Which are the 3 most secretive institutions in the world? Answer. The International Monetary Fund, the World Bank, and the World Trade Organization. All 3 of them are dominated by the US. Their decisions are made in secret. The people who head them are appointed behind closed doors. Nobody really knows anything about them, according to Arundhati Roy. Thank you.